Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban pelat na jail ka kanhuan menteri henne kasni kalayatai halor ka ruling jong ka Supreme Court ha ka babaro ki jilla ki haban bud yaka. Habagram kinang thok kubor menteri rang ba ka jilla ulayat ho ba ka kanhuan menteri ka menjur ban Pynkylla ya ka remission policy ka badai Katkum ka Jingbthah jong ka Supreme Court. Kadaw ka long ban pensuk ban aila di USP jong ka jail ban pen bena yanu ubala sha penrem ban penduna ya ka jing penchitom ni ban pelat yaki. Ya kini kerai ke Sorkar kala menjur ban pentri kam yaka. Shu layat hu bahagi por ki bamenshwa ki bahayeng hasem ki hak ban tho bat kin sashim. Henry mendaw SP jong kanu ke jail ula lada usngo baka dika kes kabadai bat kila ban shimti bat ban pet ya kani.
Agenda number 2 was there was an approval for the notification of the remission policy. This is as per the mandate of the Supreme Court, and all the states are working on that. Basically, their point is to make it simpler and to allow the superintendent of the jail to also suo motu if he or she feels to announce or to bring a person's whichever the convicts the punishment to be reduced or to be released. So those decisions are there. So there's a reform in that, and Supreme Court has recommended, and based on that we have taken the decision today to implement that particular mandate of the Supreme Court. Are there, and those are as per the new laws. That is something that has not been touched. But the process of the fact that earlier a family member had to write, and only then they would take it up. But now suo motu, the superintendent of the particular prison can also, if he or she feels that this is a genuine case and it should be taken up, can also take up, and few more of the smaller reforms.